Bristow Group orders 55 ALIA-250 eVTOL aircraft. The Bristow Group has gone in on BETA Technologies ALIA-250 electronic VTOL aircraft with an order covering up to 55 of the aircraft. The vertical flight specialist seems confident in the new technology, placing an order for 5 initial aircraft with the option to procure 50 more. Bristow Group currently operates a range of vertical flight services for its clients, primarily offshore oil and gas transportation, SAR, and transport throughout the Commonwealth and countries worldwide. The addition of the ALIA-250 begins the inevitable transition to next-generation aircraft, a shift away from the purely traditional helicopter fleet as the company looks ahead for future demand. The ALIA, as ordered, sports a 250 nautical mile range, a 1,400-pound payload, and seating for 6 within its carbon fiber fuselage. Its distributed direct electric propulsion system has 4 horizontally mounted rotors to provide lift to carry its 50-foot wingspan. The ALIA will likely join the Bristow Group stables, just like any other conventionally powered helicopter put into use to transport clients to and from their stations offshore. ALIA's battery performance is one of the system's biggest draws, being capable of a full recharge in under 1 hour.